All right, you guys, so we're high up. We're on the 40th floor.
Welcome. We are going to give you a little room tour. So we are upgrading actually right now. So we're going to give you a room tour before we leave this room. It's just a little too small for Kenton and I. We like a lot of space when we're traveling, but this is still a really nice room. It's called the Deluxe room, and it actually has a city view. So that is in the title of the room. So it is nice at night.
The view is really nice. At night, everything's lit up.
There's actually another view on this side of the bed.
Yeah, and there's one more viewing spot over here. So you have the TV over here, little living room space slash desk so you can do your work or whatever you need to do. Couch over there. Then you have the king size bed right here with his and her lamps on the side. And then the bathroom is over here. You have a nice remodeled modern bathroom. Nice sink area. Walk-in shower, no bathtub, but it's a very nice shower. Ceiling jets. And over here, you have your closet area, your mirror, your mini bars right here. Class A Azul bottles if you need them. Robes and closet area. And yep, that's the Deluxe room. See you guys later.